Channel, Jaden Chase. Now, if you're new, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, clearly, the government might be in major trouble with North America. As the headline reads, the FBI investigations into SSL might reveal much more than the Jamaican government had bargained for. As it is said that criminals have always made the same mistakes, choosing American banks as their preferred choice to put their corrupted funds. Now, we have all heard about the lucrative contracts, the road work money. A matter of fact, maybe I can hear what that will contain the reason. Look at this.
Bang around, you know. All house that tumble down, you know. All house that tumble. tumble. As we speak, Juliet Holness is in a war room with Nesta Morgan. This evening, calling cabinet ministers, promising them other opportunities should they continue to support Juliet Holness. It is further understood. It is further understood that Nesta Morgan has some files. I get to understand that Nesta Morgan, is there any truth to the argument that the recordings you have on the ministers you plan to blackmail them? Nesta Morgan, is there any truth to the argument that you remember you said on Twitter some time ago that you have access to the IP address? Remember you said Nesta Morgan, and you have special arrangements with Flow and Digicel. Nesta Morgan, is there any truth that you have been listening on the other ministers of government called? Nesta Morgan, oh my God. I gather that yourself and Juliet Holness has intentions. I don't know if it's true. Is there any truth to it? That yourself and Juliet have recordings? Is there any truth? And using those to blackmail the ministers of government? I don't know. You need to tell me. Nesta Morgan, which minister of government did you call today to have lunch with? What was the purpose of that lunch meeting? Why couldn't the lunch meeting happen in Kingston? Why did you want to go out to Port Royal to have the lunch meeting? Nesta, what was the black file that you took out? Did you take out a black file, Nesta? What was in the black file that you took out to give the minister? Let me put in back the file. The black file, Nesta. Tell us about the black file. Nesta, but you never tell me that. I get to understand that. Several, you cannot control them anymore.
The article further reads, Dr. Clark and the Jamaican government have reason to be nervous, as a thorough FBI probe will expose any weakness in the government's oversight of the country's financial system, and whether the government was careless in regulating SSL and other financial institutions in Jamaica. Now, if it is true that they are seeking a reason to have a change of leadership within the party, this might be what ministers have known about. The finance minister stated that he did not know what was taking place at SSL. The FSC says they told the ministry about what was taking place at SSL from as far back as 2010, 2009, 2010. The lucrative contracts that we always hear about, the shell companies and things of that nature. All of this will now be looked into because of the SSL investigation. Everybody would get funds or contracts from certain individuals. The individuals who gave those individuals the contracts. All of this will be looked into. But not only that, the article states, it also means that if these illegal funds, whether from SSL or anywhere else, were deposited in Jamaican banks or any deposit-taking institution, such findings would mean certain penalties against these institutions. And this will affect the bank's relationship with international correspondent entities, such as banks were linked with overseas banks. Think about what this is going to do to the private sector. This does not look good for the government in power. Because one thing for sure, and this is documented across most of the developing world, quote unquote third world countries, people have always questioned these contracts. The money trail, where the people bank these money, these funds, proceeds of criminal activity. And keep in mind, criminal activity is not regulated to just violent crime. White collar crime is considered criminal activity. This is something where the FBI specializes in. Talk to me in the comment section. What you feel like this is going to mean for the administration? Know that members of the party look around and realize what really has taken place. And the person who is being blamed for what take place. It clearly looked like the same situation that took place at SSL, where because Gene was the face of what took place at SSL, then decided to say, what? Gene fault. What the face of the party in power? Talk to me in the comment section. Now on to the other stories making headlines today. Now people, this is a clear reminder. Speeding and racing on main roads used by pedestrians and other motorists are not just illegal and forbidden by the state, but it is dangerous. Not just to yourself, but to other motorists who are use the roadways and pedestrians who are use the roadways. You know, they said that a man driving one of the latest BMW M4s had a collision with a man of unsound mind along the Lucy main road. Now, some eyewitnesses state, it's another police report, this is what people are saying. The BMW was racing with a Porsche. On the Lucy main road, everybody use, this BMW driver was racing with a Porsche. Now, I point out this. The country have places where you can go do these type of things. You have Dover, you have different other places where you can choose to go to check the performance of your vehicle. You can't do it on a main road that other people are use. Where people are saying the man of unsound mind walked out into the vehicle, where people are saying different things. Regardless of what the man do, the driver at a race. That means them that drive at an excessive speed. Some people might have it that these luxury vehicles, because of how fast them can go, and what they might tell you about the braking system. People now keep in mind traction on the road with the car tire. Yeah, while these luxury vehicles might have a better braking system than some regular model cars, it doesn't mean say when you press down on the brake, the car will immediately stop where it is. Depending upon how fast you go, when you press by your brake, your vehicle will drift. And that means that it will drift to the side like we see in the movies. But it just means that you got press on the brake, but the car might still move a little bit. And depending upon how fast you go, it might move a lot. Sad to see. How no matter how people talk, and this is something people are talking about, how much roadway fatalities we see take place. I always see people that drive out from places, normal, and they go up the road and see them and say, yo, you know, that take place, collision. And people still continue to drive fast for unnecessary reasons. Talk to me in the comment section. And keep in mind, this is a new BMW. And we'll look upon the impact of the vehicle. And what the impact do to the vehicle. And think about the fact that this car never collide with a post or a wall or anything like that. The car that go fast. And for your race with a Porsche, you could not go slow. Another incident take place on the roadways simply because of speeding. Maybe going at a different or less miles per hour. Even if the individual did walk out, maybe the vehicle would have been able to stop. Maybe. We weren't there. But based on people I say, them see the car a race. And there's a multiple people that said that. And now this take place. Obviously, police are gonna say, based on what them say, a racing causes. The man said clearly this was caused by excessive speeding. Talk to the driver them. We're not supposed to need no laws. We're not supposed to need no minister. We're not supposed to need nobody a come on TV for telling them to say, take it easy on the road. So the excessive speeding not worth it. With so much roadway fatalities, there was in 2022 and 2023 start off with numerous roadway fatalities. People still at speed. You know want to reach. People still at speed for reaching time. It would be best to just reach overall than speeding to get to a place where you now get to because collision take place on the roadways. It's not worth it. Clearly it's not worth it. And some people seem to be under the mindset that because it's a luxury vehicle, yeah man, it can go fast, so it can stop fast too. Truth be told, it's not as simple as it sounds. If you're new to the channel, just pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform, the like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reason. Join the discussion, the comment section on 24/7, never lucky yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reason via the comment section. Quick recap. It is said that FBI investigations into SSL might reveal much more than the government had bargained for. It is also said that the collision that took place on the Lucy Main Road is being rumored to be because of speeding. As I say, comment section open. Until the reason again, live, love, and prosper. Stay tuned.